Hey y'all, tired of dragging hoses all over the yard? What if you could water 5 spots with one tap? This EBH 5-way brass hose splitter is a watering wizard. Let's check it out. Welcome to SmartBloom, folks, your go-to spot for the best gardening gear in 2025. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and today we're unboxing the EBH 5-way hose splitter. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing SmartBloom fam. The EBH 5-way brass hose splitter is a heavy-duty game-changer for outdoor watering. It's got 5 frost-proof outlets with individual on and off valves, extended handles for easy grip, and a 3/4-inch GHT hex female inlet with male outlets. Perfect for sprinklers, soaker hoses, or pet bowls. Say goodbye to hose hassles. Here's how to use it in 3 simple steps, y'all. Step 1, screw it onto your 3/4-inch faucet. Tighten that hex inlet good. Step 2, turn the extended handles to control each valve. Easy peasy. Step 3, connect your hoses and water 5 spots at once. Gardening made smart. I set this up in my Oregon backyard to water my veggies, and it was a lifesaver. The brass build held up to a chilly morning, and the extended handles were a breeze for my stiff hands. Pro tip: use plumber's tape on the threads to avoid leaks. Some folks say it's heavy, so mount it steady. Bonus tip: label the valves for different zones, saves time. Here's why I'm loving this splitter, y'all. Frostproof brass, 5 valves with easy handles, and perfect for multi-zone watering. Great for any yard. Cons: it's a bit heavy and leaks if not tightened right. But wow, it made my watering a breeze. I'm obsessed. Do you juggle multiple hoses? Tell me in the comments. This splitter's perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada with big yards or multiple zones. Great for raised beds or flower patches. Not ideal for tiny spaces, though. Ready to master your watering? Grab the EBH 5-way hose splitter on Amazon. Link below, y'all. What's your trick for watering multiple spots? Share in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Love this review? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more gardening tips to keep your yard rocking.